Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about books that don't just change our thoughts, but also transform our entire life. Today, we are diving into one of the most inspiring and heart touching books ever written, Life's Amazing Secrets, by Gaur Gopal Das. This book is all about finding the perfect balance between success and inner peace. Because what's the point of success if your heart is restless and your mind is full of worries? So, let's uncover the beautiful life lessons and amazing secrets that can truly change the way we live. Secret 1: Know yourself first. The book begins with an interesting story. Gaur Gopal Das is riding in a car with his friend Harry, and during this journey, they talk deeply about life, about happiness, relationships, career, and peace. He says something very powerful. If you don't know where you are going, every road will take you nowhere. This means before doing anything in life, we must understand who we are and what we really want. Most of us spend our lives comparing ourselves with others, but true peace comes when we understand our own values, priorities, and purpose. So, the first life secret is understand yourself. Only then will you find the right direction. Secret 2: Value relationships over ego. In today's busy world, relationships are weakening. We often take people for granted, forget to express love, and hold on to anger. Gaur Gopal Das says, relationships are like plants. If you don't water them, they'll die. That means we must invest our time, love, and attention in the people we care about. Sometimes we are too focused on being right, but what's the point of being right if you lose someone you love? He says, it's better to lose an argument than to lose a relationship. So learn to listen, forgive, and communicate, because these small efforts keep love alive. Secret 3: Money is important, but not everything. Another major lesson from the book is about money and balance. Yes, money is necessary, it gives us comfort, opportunities, and security. But Gaur Gopal Das reminds us, money is a good servant, but a bad master. If we let money control our lives, we'll never be satisfied. But if we use money wisely, to help others, to do good, it becomes a tool for happiness. He says success means earning with integrity and spending with compassion. So remember, earn money, but don't lose your peace in the process. Secret 4: The real peace lies within. We all search for happiness in achievements, luxury, or relationships. But real peace doesn't come from the outside, it comes from within. Gaur Gopal Das beautifully says, if the mind is calm, you can be happy anywhere. If the mind is disturbed, you can be unhappy even in paradise. That's the truth of life. So, take time every day to calm your mind. Through meditation, prayer, journaling, or just sitting quietly. When you connect with yourself, your inner world becomes peaceful, and that peace reflects in your outer world too. Secret 5: Live for others, not just yourself. One of the most heart-touching lessons of this book is about selflessness. Gaur Gopal Das says, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. When you help someone, when you make someone smile, the happiness you feel is beyond words. We often think that success means what we get. But true success is what we give, the difference we make in someone's life. So, the fifth secret is be kind, be helpful, and make this world a little better. Secret 6: Accept what you can't change. There are things in life that we simply can't control. People's opinions, unexpected events, losses, or failures. But what we can control is our reaction. Gaur Gopal Das explains, peace begins when expectation ends. When we stop trying to control everything, and accept life as it comes, we feel lighter. Acceptance doesn't mean weakness, it means strength. It means understanding that some things are beyond our reach, and that's okay. So remember, let go, and let peace flow. Secret 7: Practice gratitude every day. We often forget to notice the blessings we already have. Our health, family, food, opportunities, and even small joys. Gaur Gopal Das says, gratitude turns ordinary moments into blessings. When we start being thankful, our focus shifts from what's missing to what's present. That shift changes our mindset completely. So, every morning or night, think of at least 3 things you're grateful for, and watch how your life transforms. Secret 8: Balance between work, relationships, and self. The main message of this book is balance between outer success and inner peace, between ambition and satisfaction. We need to grow in our career, yes, but not by destroying our health or relationships. We must learn to live consciously, not mechanically. Success without peace is failure in disguise. So Gaur Gopal Das teaches us the art of living, where you enjoy every moment, not just chase the next one. Friends, Life's Amazing Secrets teaches us that life isn't about perfection, it's about balance, purpose, and peace. When we understand ourselves, love others, earn honestly, and stay grateful, life becomes meaningful. So remember these key lessons. 1. Know yourself and your purpose. 2. Value relationships over ego. 3. Earn money ethically and spend wisely. 4. Keep your mind peaceful and calm. 5. Help others, because giving is living. 6. Accept what you can't change. 7. Stay grateful and humble always. These are truly the amazing secrets of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring book summaries like this one. Tell us in the comments, which lesson from Life's Amazing Secrets touched your heart the most. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you soon with another beautiful book and more life-changing wisdom.